How to fix incoming calls not showing on display screen problem on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Hello friends, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video, as I already told you, we will fix incoming calls not showing on display screen problem on Galaxy S21 FE. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel. So to fix incoming calls not showing on display screen problem, first of all you just need to open settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.